Hi, today I want to show you a science experiment using two books. These are a couple old books I had, but any book will work. Take the books and overlap the pages a few inches all the way up to the top equally in the book. This causes friction between the pages, and you cannot, no matter how hard you try, you cannot separate the books under any circumstance because of the friction between the pages. So, the only way to separate the books is to go through and unfold all of the pages again until the books are completely separated once more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.